Today we are testing the Master Supertrend indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we are testing the Master Supertrend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 85 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 888 indicators, with 373 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 90 of the winning indicators. 33 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these strategies and indicators along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the Master Supertrend indicator. And so we've tested this one a couple of times now. And so basically it is the Supertrend indicator, but it allows us to change the input of the source for the Supertrend line here. And so if I go over here and I click on the settings here on the applied calculations, if you click on that, on the default, it comes with it set to the high position here. And you can see that you can switch the source of the calculation to a few different things. And so in the original video, we tested it on the default setting. In the last video, or the last time we tested it on the SMA, and today we are testing it on the EMA. And so the setup on this is, now remember that in this particular case on this indicator, the colors seem to be reversed. And so generally what you will see on the Supertrend indicator is when price breaks down below that Supertrend indicator and it starts to put that line above the price, then it is colored red for shorts. And when price breaks above that Supertrend line and it starts printing that line below the price, generally it is green for long trades. But for some reason the colors are flipped on this one. And so now the setup is pretty much the same, other than that when price breaks above this line, we are going to go long. When price breaks down below this line, closes below that line, that is going to be a signal to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Okay, so the first trade that we pick up, first signal, is going to be a short signal. Now again, if I hover over this bar right here, if you look at the coordinate numbers here right above my mouse, you can see when I hover over the bar, it's either green because the line is green, or it's red because the line is red. And you can see that it appears that the break below actually takes place on this big red bar right here. But if you notice the color shift, it doesn't actually take place until this candle right here. So it's like one bar kind of advanced there. So this is just something to note. So the first trade that we pick up is a short signal, and you can see immediately we get a spike right back to the upside there. And then it will lead right into this next trade, which is a long trade right here. And we get a nice push to the upside. Looks like that one's going to get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal is going to be another short signal. We get that break to the downside there. You see price pretty much just ranges sideways there before it makes this spike to the upside right here on this big nasty wick. That one's going to come up and stop us out, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things will get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this indicator was able to achieve, if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail, so you can just click on that link and it'll take you straight to the video there where you can review the strategy that we have tested and developed here on the channel. We've tested it, back tested it, forward tested it, constantly making tweaks to it and making it better, helping to optimize that strategy. We are also looking to automate that strategy. Hopefully that's something we will have done here in the near future. We're definitely working on it. It's a little bit more challenging than I thought it would be, but hopefully soon we'll have that done. And once we get that done, any of our current patrons at that time will get a discounted version of that. And then any new patrons from there will get access to it, but at a more expensive price. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get this scrolled back. Yeah, that looks good right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades altogether. And so that will meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. And so interesting enough, this is this particular input here on it, calculation, is the best one that we've tested so far. I'm pretty sure that the other two were losing inputs or losing indicators on that particular calculation. And so this one did considerably better. And so definitely give us more trades within the 1 year's time. I'm pretty sure that both of those only did about half the number of trades, and again, did so not very accurately. And so pretty good improvement, if I do say so myself. And so if you would please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm, and we definitely want to keep YouTube happy. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Definitely helps out. And so that's it for this one. It's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.